Welcome to my new vlog. So in today's video guys, Cho Sai Wan naman ang pupuntahan ni Miss Timish. Dito yan sa northeastern part ng Hong Kong Island. Dito sa Hong Kong. Eastern part ng Chai Wan. So tara at samahan nyo ako guys sa akin adventure. Ay matatagpuan dito sa northeastern part ng Hong Kong Island, dito sa Hong Kong, or the eastern part of Chai Wan. Papunta dito guys. Kung makikita nyo, galing ako sa mall. Then from the mall, you can go directly to this seaside, to the seaside. Makikita nyo dyan yung area kung saan you can walk, you can relax. Ang daming tao kasi nilalabas nila yung mga pets nila para meron din silang general meeting, something like that. Yung iba nagja-jogging, nag-exercise. So, dito yan sa northern part. Ganun? Ano ba tawag dito? Sa eastern part ng Chai Wan. So, sorry. Kasi very good place para hindi ko alam kung nakapunta na si Roberts dito, pero hindi pa. Ang ganda ng view. Kapig si Misty. So, let's see and check out. Mag-iikot-ikot tayo guys. So, you can see kung ano mayroon dito. Ang ganda ng area. Super nice. Pwede ka maglakad. Pwede ka mag-stroll, exercise. It's a very good place to unwind and relax. Kahit mag-isa ka, hindi ka matulungkot kasi maraming tao nandyan. So, a lot of people are here. Maamoy mo yung tubig ng dagat. Sobrang refreshing. Very refreshing. Tsaka napaka-relaxing. Siguro sa nighttime also, it has a very nice night view. Ganyan. It's another market adventure for Miss Timish Vlog. And nandito ako ngayon sa Cho Sai Wan Public Market. Kung saan, itutour ko kayo guys. I will give you a small tour. And tingnan natin kung ano meron sila. Tara! Kapit na ako. I'm almost reaching. So you can see this display here. Cho Sai Wan Public Market. And Yes, ayan na guys. Oh. Loy. There's a lot of people here. Oh. Look. Ano mga ganyan, no? Frill. Fish. Everything is fish. Oh. Yung mga ganyang fish, oh, $35, something. So, mga seafood. Also alive. Frozen. Mga frozen goods. It's all frozen. Lobster, they have $350 for two. Talaga? So, this is lobster. Wow! The rest is street, something. Okay, let's enter into their wet market. What is this? Meatballs, dumplings, shrimp wonton. They have those. And this is the public market. I'm planning to buy some pork, then meat for sangyup. Yeah, chicken, beef. Also this very famous duck. 110 per pound. And then this ducks and pork. Wow. Fruits are very fresh. Look at that. Amazing. Durian fruit is so famous and popular here. Ayan. Also very nice flowers. Bulaklak. Kagaganda ba? Oh. Meats. Like shabu-shabu. They have plenty of balls here. A very good strawberry, guava, and stuff like that. I'm going to buy some meat, pork for my stuff, for my soup. Wait. Huh? 41? Oh, okay. Just keep for soup. Yeah. This is all the meat section. Ivy. Ayan guys, let's go. Let's go to another side of the market. So, because they like noodles too. I mean, the noodles is very famous here. They have plenty of noodles. Wow! Noodles yan. Mga noodles yan. Fish balls, meat, na ganyan. Ito naman mga veggies. This all the vegetables is very fresh. Oh, very fresh yan dyan guys. They're all very fresh. Ano ba yung bibilin ko? Carrot. So I'm going to buy this. Okay. I'm going to get one carrot. Ang laki naman itong radish. Just one carrot and maybe corn. And corn. Okay. Hi. Oh, what is this? Pangyang, how do you call this? Maybe I can buy this. One like that. Okay, $9. Can you... Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Yeah. Seitan. Yes, seitan. Okay. Sa kanila guys, when you ask for the receipt, you can say seitan. Thank you, Shishe. Okay. Corn. May corn na ba ako? Okay. Pangyaw, how much this?
20 for free. 20 for free.
Okay. Can I ask one corn?
$1 $8.
Okay. And then seitan, Pangyaw, seitan. I'll get corn for my soup. $8. 1 minute. Kaya gumagawa siya. Okay. Yeah. Ito na guys ang binili ko. Thank you. Thank you. Nakakatuwa sila kasi. Yan yung aking market time. So I'm going to go back home now. Hindi ko na sa inyo pinakita. Ito yung Seo Saiwan Public Market. Hindi ko nga siya. Parang mga shells, so. Thank you very much for watching. Actually, it's afternoon time, so not so much people are doing the market, and some stores were closed. Yes. Okay. So, yan ang fish markets. And, fresh seafoods. Vegetables. Ano ba daw? Yes. So, it's fun to go around. Oh! Meron din sila mga ganyan. Favorite noodle soup house. Let's go for another tour. Meron sila tinatawag dito na Kaibo Supermarket. Their fruits were outside. Look. So yummy. Fruit, durian. 18 per pound. Oh, it's very cheap. Man, go inside. We're looking for another thing. Another vegetable. Ito, ano yata to? Winter melon? I don't know kung anong tawag dito. Something like winter melon. Like this. I think I can buy this. Looks good. Winter melon, sabi nila. Usually, we put this in the soup. Very now people are buying and getting stuff that they need. Dito ang kanilang supermarket. It's cheaper than other supermarkets. Ito yung Kaibo Supermarket. It's very fresh, still alive. Oh, so many people are. Loy is beautiful. Oh, they're all fresh. Eat for today. I'm going home now, and I'm so happy to go around because it's very sunny day and it's a very fine day. Thank you very much for watching, and watch out for the next market raid. Hanapin na naman natin kung saan. Let's find another market. Thank you for watching.